This video will cover how to view feedback specifically for manual grade items in Brightspace. The first option is through the Grades category. Head over to the navigation bar, or nav bar for short, and click on Grades. Here, students will be able to see their score and overall feedback. The last option is accessible by going to the nav bar and clicking on Class Progress. Please note, if the instructor did not enable the Class Progress tab in the nav bar, then students cannot access their feedback using this method. Students can select the Grades tab in the Class Progress tool, where the score will be shown, and then select the Feedback tab to view the overall feedback. Thank you for watching. For more Brightspace related content, subscribe to our channel.